Hello everyone. Today I have prepared a new Instagram tutorial. It's about the latest feature that now allows you to add notes to an Instagram post or reel. The notes you add will be visible for a certain time to your followers or close friends. Here's what it looks like. Interesting. Let me show you how to add your note to a post or reel. Open Instagram. Find the post to which you want to add notes. I will do it on my profile for privacy reasons. When you come across a post to which you want to add notes, click on this share button here. Here's this new feature. If it is not displayed, update the Instagram app. Click on Add Note. Write the text you want. Below the profile picture, you can choose the audience you want to share the note with. You can choose followers you follow back or close friends. After selecting, click on the Share button. Here's how your note will look, which your followers or friends will be able to see on this post. The process is the same for adding notes to reels. When you open a reel, click on the Share button. Now click on Add Note. Add the note, choose the audience, and share it by clicking on Share. I will mention that the profile on whose post or reel you attach notes will not see that you have done so. For example, when I open my profile to which I attached a note from another profile during recording, we can see that the note is not displayed. And that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.